About an hour ago at 10:58 a.m., we detected 1,215 unusual options on advanced micro devices, AMD, today, September 28. If you are interested in this type of data, being notified, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So, as usual, let's review the data on the options time and sales tape. October 27, 102 strike calls and the 112 strike calls. We can see here that they are selling the 112 strike calls, and we believe these 102 strike calls are being bought. And when we take a look at this option chain here, we can see more details here that the 102s here are opening trades because the volume here on this column is greater than the open interest on this column, right? Same with the 112 strike calls. The volume is greater than the open interest. So we know these are opening trades. We believe they are buying the 102 strike calls and selling the 112 strike calls. And when you analyze the trade, you can see that this is what it looks like here. Okay. And when we take a look at the Greeks, you can see that this is a positive 30 delta. So this is going long a bullish trade here. All right. So as the price of AMC goes up, profits go up. If AMC goes down from where it is at 103 right now, it will also be a loss though. Okay. And each of these trades costs about $398 currently. And when we take a look at the value of this trade, let's take a look at the prices that they paid. So how much did they spend, right? So they bought it for 501 for the calls at the 102s, and then they sold the 112s for 155. So that was about $346. So they're actually profitable right now because we just saw that if we were to buy them now at this time, it'd be $398. So they are about $50 profitable per trade already. Okay. So let's multiply out by the number of contracts, 1,215. And so they spent $420,000 on this trade already. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. It is not greater than $1 million, so the trade is not something where we would put a lot of position sizing into, and we would not share that to our members, because for our membership, where we share exclusive videos for our members, we follow the trades made by millions of dollars, where those wealthy traders can predict stock prices a lot more accurately than traders that trade less than $1 million. So that is why we reserve the unusual options activity data for our membership. If you are interested in joining, click the join button on our channel homepage to learn more. And the way we are trading this, even though we are not putting so much of our capital to work on this, but we are still going to go bullish because we believe some of this activity is still going to be possibly more highly probable that it will be correct than it will be wrong. We are selling the 110 strike calls for this same expiration date. And so for each of our trades, we're selling 2 of them. And then we're buying the 105 calls and also the 112 calls. So you'll see that this strategy is known as a butterfly trade here, and specifically it is known as a broken wing butterfly. So you'll see that it is also a bullish long trade here. Okay, so the cost of the trade is less than the $300 trade we had just analyzed from the unusual options activity. These only cost $134. for each trade. Okay, so you can see that as the price goes up, the profits also go up, right? And if it goes down, it also goes down. And you can see that at max profit is right here at 110 at expiration. And if it continues to go up, we could make also 166 over here. It shows the max profits on the left side of the screen. And that it would be more than 100% since we spent 134 on this trade. So we like this trade. It has a slightly much lower theta decay. You can see the theta decay here. It's a negative 0.35. So the risk against time is not as high as compared to the unusual options here with a negative 1.78. Okay, so we like this strategy. And so with our memberships, we also share our option strategies on how we trade the unusual options activity data. And so if you are interested, make sure to join our membership. You can see here today, AMD rallied 5%. And so comment below on what do you think will happen to AMD? Will it continue to go up from this rally, or is this just going to rally and come back down like the recent past and continue this downtrend? Right? So comment below, what do you think is going to happen to AMD this coming month in October, because these options expire in October and we are near the end of the month of September. So let us know what you think will happen to AMD. Will it be higher than where it is now at 103 at the end of October, or will it be lower? Let us know. Comment below. Take care, everybody, and good luck.